Happy
Happy
Mother's
Mother's
Day.
Day.
Here is a fruit bouquet.
Fruit bouquet from where?
Myself. I did it myself.
Okay.
Not store-bought. I'm helping you.
Ian, hold it. And Ian, can you get the scissor? You're gonna eat it, Ian. Hold it. Put it back. Wow. Yummy fruit. Oh, look at guys. Yay. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kian and Andre and Daddy too. So look at the strawberries there. So Daddy, the strawberries so look cute. Yeah, yummy, yummy. Oh, oh my God, it's a pineapple. So look at the M. Oh, like a Medes.
It spells mom.
Oh, mom.
There's an M and then
Oh.
there's another M.
Oh, mom. Where's the
I
The
think it's
O.
this, right?
Where's the O? Find it the O. Where's the O?
It's this one.
Oh, the center is like ano. Mom, happy Mother's Day, Mama. It's beautiful. Thank you for you. Kiss me. Thank you, Kian. Kiss me. Oh, Andrew. Thank you. And then this other Kian's gift to me. Starbucks with the butterfly. Yay. Kian, thank you. And then Kian's earlier sa soccer game. And then Kian is a one. Congratulations. Good job. Good job. And then, where's Andrew siya? But 3 chocolate.
Yeah, I can put it on myself.
Yeah, you're gonna eat first. I'm gonna eat the what do you want to eat? The M?
The M.
Not the
Oh, you're right.
strawberry?
Demolish that M.
Mmm. No, sweet. Thank you, guys.
Is it sweet?
Where's my hug?
Oh.
Group hug. Mmm. Oh my God, that was so darn big. Ow.
This one. This is the actual
Mm.
expensive one.
Can you hold it, Kuya? Or eat it? And then one. But anyways, it's Daddy's job is to buy to me this. This what is that? What is that, Kuya?
It's a 360
Insta
camera.
360.
What is that?
360 camera.
It's a 360 camera. And then, oh, they're ready for vacation. Oh, this one. This is my favorite. Thank you, Daddy Jeff. Love you. I love it. What is that? Oh, it's a card.
And the SD card.
SD
Oh,
card.
For the camera.
I'll show you how to use it later.
Oh.
The stick.
Invisible stick.
Yay. Can you give me a knife? I can open it. So, oh, I open it my nail. Yeah. So, yes.
Oh.
Ready for going to Boracay. Uwi kami kasi sa Pinas and then, yay, I have a camera. You need to teach me this, Kuya. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, babes. Yes, my Jeff's gift to me. Yes. What is the, anong pangalan nito?
Insta.
Insta 360. Oh, the stick. And then again, I put it here. Yay! Thank you.
Push it down.
Where's the charger?
Maybe it was a
How gonna charge that? Oh, thank you, Kuya Rishon, for your effort gift to Mommy. Thank you. Love you. It's flower. Yeah. Thank you. So sweet. Mmm. Good. Mmm. Nandito siya, maasim na siya. Pero the pineapple one is so very sweet. Mmm. Grabe. Mas matamis pa yung sa pineapple kaysa sa strawberry. I don't know the ano. What is that? The cantaloupe. Sa cantaloupe. Mmm. Ang sweet to. Mm. I'm gonna try the green cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. This one. Mmm. More sweeter. So good. Did you see that? The other one, the strawberry, nag-ano na siya, linagay nila sa refrigerator, nag-melted. The strawberry with chocolate. Gonna try ito. So good. Grabe. So good. I'm so happy. That's it guys. I na-receive ko na gift. It's for my boys. Thank you boys. Thank you babes. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay guys, happy Mother's Day to all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye. Yay! I love this.